Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App, and more specifically, we're talking about how to send money on Cash App. So let's go ahead and talk about this. So first off, if you're not familiar with Cash App, it is a popular peer-to-peer cash transfer system. So a lot of folks will use this to split bills at like a restaurant or send family or friends money because it's almost instant and they can get the money pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app right now. You do need to download the Cash App. It's this green one right here. It's called Cash App. Be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. From time to time, they run promotions where you get something extra and I get something extra if you use my referral link, or you can easily go to the App Store or Google Play. So I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, so here we are on the home screen. So again, what we're talking about is how to send money on Cash App. Well, the first thing you'll need to do after downloading it is you will need to connect your bank account or credit card. And you can choose either one. It really depends on where you're going to be sending the money from. And you can do that a couple of different ways. Usually folks will just add in a debit card. And with that debit card, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to withdraw money from that account unless you initiate it. And where do you find that information? So a brief on adding a bank account. First, what you want to do is click right here on the bottom left. This is where your balance is. You may or may not have any money in your Cash App. I have $76, and this is where the changes are going to happen for adding bank accounts and credit cards. So I'm going to go ahead and click there and show you quickly how to add in a funding source. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and first off add your debit card. That's the first process, and I've already added in my Chase bank account. If you haven't added in yours, you'll want to go ahead and click there. It's going to say something like add bank. Once you click there, then it's going to walk you through the prompts in order to add your debit card and bank account. And then if you decide to, after you've added that, then you can add in a credit card and use that as your funding source. So once you have that set up, then you'll be good to go as far as sending money through Cash App. So let me click back to the home screen. All right, once you're here on the home screen, what you want to do if you're going to be sending money is choose how much you're going to send to your family or friend. Make sure you don't send this to strangers, just because once you send the money out, it's pretty much gone. The chances of recovering it are very tiny. So I'm going to go ahead and type in $20. All right, I went ahead and typed in $20. And then next, what you want to do is go ahead and click this button right here. It's called Pay. This one is if you're going to request money. This is if you're going to send money to someone on Cash App. So I'm going to click Pay now. All right, I went ahead and clicked on that button. And then here in the Pay screen, it's going to confirm what amount you're going to be sending. So we have $20 right here. And then you want to choose who you're going to be sending the money to. So if you've already sent it to someone recently like I have, you can choose somebody from this historical contacts list right here. Or you can easily add in their cash tag name. If you don't have their cash tag name, don't worry. You can send it to them via a text message as long as you know their cell phone number, or an email address. And the nice thing is that if they do not have a Cash App account, they can still receive the money. And what will happen is they will receive a text message confirming that they have money, or an email depending on which ones you add in there. And if you're sending it to someone who might not be expecting it, you can go ahead and list right here what the money is for. So whether it's for a paycheck or a birthday present, whatever you want, you can list something right here and they will see that note. Lastly, what you want to do is make sure that you have the funding source correct. So right up here, you can choose how you want the money to be sent, from your bank account, from your credit card, or from your current balance like I have. But in order to change that, what you do is click this little arrow right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then you can choose right here the funding source. So this person will receive the money either from my cash balance or my Chase bank. So you can choose that however you like, whichever one works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and close that down now. All right, so once you have sent that money out to that person, they will receive a notification either on their Cash App if they're already members, or they'll get a text message or email letting them know they have the $20 and how they can claim it. Basically, they would need to set up a Cash App account in order to receive that, and then they can designate their bank account that would be deposited the $20, or they can leave it on their Cash App. It's really up to them. So let me close this down and go back to the home screen. All right, so there you have it. That is how to send a payment through Cash App on the new 2019 layout that they rolled out. If I missed something or if you have other questions, be sure to leave me a comment below. I always try to answer whenever possible, but hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and thanks for watching.